Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Now in this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to convert PDF file to Word. I have PDF file on the desktop. Let me show you. So this is a PDF file. So this is a PDF file and I have this PDF file. So I want this PDF file to be converted into Word. Now I don't need to go to online to just convert it online and bring it here. So you can just convert it straight away from PDF to Word. So now let's see the steps. Now in order to convert a PDF file to Word, go to File, now go to File, now and go to Open. And now select your PDF file. So this is the file that I want to, or this is the presentation. Okay, this is the file that I want to. So you go there, then you click on Open. So you click on Open, you wait, then it's going to be converted. So you just need to just select it and open, and that's what the Word is going to present it, convert it for you. So there is a heading. So when you compare this to the previous one, you see with this one you have the heading presentation document, and now when it comes here you have the presentation document as well. Okay, so I have the presentation document. Okay, so when you start with it, you see it is the same. So it means that the PDF file has been converted to Word. So that is a way to convert a PDF file into Word. So just go to File, then go to Open, then select your document or the PDF file, click on OK, and you're good to go. Alright, so that is a way to convert a PDF document to Word. Now, when you get it, now you can just apply or you can format it. If you don't know how to format it, just watch the previous videos on how to format the text or text formatting, and take you through to know how to format text document in Word. Alright, so that is it for today, and thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next